What's the meaning of backseat driver? Backseat driver. Backseat driver.
Backseat driver. Backseat driver. The term backseat driver is used to describe someone who gives unwanted advice or criticism from the back seat of a car, usually to the person driving. This type of individual tends to be overly controlling and critical, often causing distractions or unnecessary stress for the driver. The term can also be applied more broadly to individuals who try to control or micromanage situations they are not directly involved in. Being a backseat driver is generally considered rude and disrespectful, as it implies that the person in control is incompetent or incapable of making decisions on their own. It is important to respect others' autonomy and limit unsolicited advice or criticism.